everyone. So here we are discussing the problem sum in a matrix on Leetcode. So the question states that you are given a 0 index 2D integer array nums. Initially your score is 0. Perform the following operations until the matrix becomes empty. From each row in the matrix, select larger number and remove it. In case of a tie, it does not matter which number is chosen. And we need to identify the highest number among all those removed in step 1 and add the number to the score. Lastly, we need to return the final score. So looking at this example, we have 721, 642, 653, 321. So here we have highest number as 7, here we have highest as 6, here also 6, and here 3. Now out of these 4 numbers, the highest is 7. So we have 7 here and we have removed all these numbers. Next we have 2, 4, 5, 2. So in 2, 4, 5, 2 highest is 5. So we add to the score and also remove all these numbers. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 1. So in 1, 2, 3, 1 we have highest 3 and we add this number. After removing this one as well, we can see that our whole nums become empty and we break out of this loop. So our answer would be 15 here. Now in coding sense, the intuition is very simple. What we need to do is just take the maximum of the rows, like we take maximum of this one, which is 7, maximum of this, maximum of this, and maximum of this. We would take a second list L, creating another list and appending all the maximum in one list. So a list would be formed of 7, 6, 6 and 3. After making this list, we take the maximum of this list, which is 7. So we get 7 and we add it to the score. So our score is 7 here. Next, what we do, we empty this list again. Like we can run a while loop. While nums exist, we can run this loop and have under it L is empty and appending every time the maximum elements and then getting the maximum out of it. Also, after appending all these elements to L, we need to remove these elements from the num. So we can find the index of these elements and remove these elements easily from the list, and then we can have the maximum element added to the sum. Also make sure that when we are doing these iterations, we need to check whether the row is empty or not. As soon as the row becomes empty, we would remove that whole row, and also if our max value is coming empty, we would break out of the loop and hence it would give us the solution. So here we can see that our solution is accepted. Hence this logic works fine. Hope you guys understand this solution. Thanks for watching.